Mae'r prosiect wedi bod yn mynd yn gret, allai dweud llawer yng Nghalon. Dyma un o'r prosiectau mwyaf cyffroes dwi wedi bod yn Nghlwm erioed. A dwi'n meddwl mae lot hwnna lawr i'r tîm. Dwi'n cyfeirio atyn nhw fel y Dream Team, achos bod nhw'n criw mor dda. Sara a Dan, a hefyd Eli a Rhian yr athrawon. Mae pawb wedi dod at ei gilydd i gydweithio. Dwi'n meddwl bod nhw wedi really clicio fel tîm hefyd. A hwnna sydd wedi galluogi llwyddiant y prosiect, dwi'n meddwl.
Yn sicr, mae nhw'n yn y pwnc Saesneg, a dyna ydy bwriad y prosiect yma ydy hyrwyddo a ddatblygu sgiliau llafar y disgyblion trwy gyfrwng y Saesneg. A dwi'n gweld hwnna yn y ffordd maen nhw'n cyfathrebu flaen y camera, dim yn unig jyst i siarad Saesneg gyda nhw'i gilydd, ond i siarad flaen camera yn Saesneg, falle fydd yr hyder yn sicr ddim gan nhw'r blaen.
Oh, it's been so much fun. It's been manic. The truth is, we didn't quite know where the kids were going to go with it. We knew that it was going to be roughly comedy. We thought, okay, we're going to end up with some kind of filmed project.
It's been amazing to see them evolve throughout the project. They become much more disciplined. They've seen the goal, which is their own goal. We've given them a task to do, but what they actually want to achieve is their own plan. They have an idea for a sketch, for a joke or something like that. So they've formulated their own goal, and they are the ones who are figuring out how to get to that point.
We've been asking for them to show creativity and giving them opportunities to do this, but what surprised us is how creative they have been on things where we weren't expecting them to.
I think this, for some of them, might be the first taste of that real thinking outside the box. A lot of what we've been doing is problem solving, especially as we've gone into the sketches. They're remarkably ambitious, a lot of them. We've got sea monsters arriving. We've got people floating up into the air.
Y beth mwyaf heriol mae'n debyg ydy trio cadw dychymyg y plant o dan reolaeth. Maen nhw wedi cael eu briffio i sgwennu sgriptiau, i sgwennu darau byr o gomedi. A mae dychymyg nhw'n mynd weithio yn bellach yn realistig i fod yn gwneud rhywbeth ymarferol hefyd prosiect nhw.
It's not just us coming up with the technical solutions to it. Some of them have been going, oh, I'll tell you what we can do. If we stick the green screen there, we can have a float. These are 11-year-olds. Again, reminder, this is 11-year-olds who are figuring out proper visual effect solutions.
Mae'r plant wedi ymateb nhw wych iddo fo. Maen nhw'n mynd adre, maen nhw'n sôn wrth rhieni. Da ni'n gweld pethau ar Facebook sy'n dangos math o waith nhw wedi bod yn gwneud. Maen nhw'n creu pethau adre i ddod mewn nhw i fod yn rhan o'r prosiect gwych. O'n i'n dychmygu o'r cychwyn fysa hwn yn hanner mor llwyddiannus yn wedi bod. Mae wedi bod yn wirioneddol effeithiol.
I fi, dwi wedi licio gweld yr hwyl a'r comedi fel cyfrwng i cario'r dysgu ymlaen. Mae'r plant really wedi prynu mewn i'r prosiect a maen nhw'n really mwynhau y gweithgareddau a maen nhw'n gwthio pethau ymlaen I hunain mewn ffordd.
The best part of it for us in this project is just finding out how they're already creative and being able to find ways to use that in the classroom and giving them opportunities to express themselves in that way. And I think that will feed back into all areas of their academic work anyway, and that's been really exciting to see.
Dros y blynyddoedd, mae'r cwricwlwm yn gaeth, ynde. Da ni'n gorfod wneud hyn a llall, a dim llawer o le I ni fath mestyn allan, ond mae'r prosiect yma yn rhoi llawer o'n gyfleoedd yn nhw'n mestyn, y ffordd nhw'n meddwl, I datrys problemau, I cydweithio mewn ffordd creadigol, a mae wedi gweithio yn effeithiol iawn yma yn y Berwyn.
I think they're going to be so proud of what they've achieved, and I can't wait to see their faces.